reviewing a few of my everyday carry pocket knives. Some of them I carry more than others. Alright. This is an unassisted open titanium blade cameless knife. There's no specific model to it. It's just cameless. It sits low in the pocket, so kind of makes it a little easier to hide. And it's not so out there for everyone to see. But there is no specific model. Sorry about that. There's no specific model for it. It's just cameless. The blade is only about maybe 1.5 inches. But it's not very big. It's a fairly small. Now if I have thrown it, I have dropped it. The only reason that I threw it, I got angry with it after I ended up cutting the crap out of myself. I don't know if it come up. Let's see here. Yeah, right there on that knuckle though. I hit the bone where the joint is with this knife, and it did not feel good one bit. Bleeding would not stop. So that's the titanium blade cameless, kind of low profile. Moving on to the next one. This is an assisted open wild boar stainless steel blade. Kind of like this one because I have easier access to it. Sits higher up in my pocket. I just reach down and grab it up, open. But I'm not gonna say I've never cut myself with it. My wrists are clean. Nothing to worry about. But I have cut my fingers open with it. And I think I've even stabbed myself in the leg with it. But it's kind of it's a good knife. It's a little bit softer than the cameless. You know, this is a stainless steel knife. Cameless is titanium. And this one I lost the bolt. That one right here originally, so I pulled it out top right up here. But this one's assisted opening. Press the button right back here, or open it right here. My most disliking about this one, it opens in my pocket quite often. I'd bend over and it'd stab me in the leg. Yeah, I just don't feel good, especially while I'm at work. It's one of my favorite everyday carries. Let's see here. Everybody knows about the Swiss Army knife. It's got the knife blade, saw blade. Some of them, a large majority of them, have scissors with them, bottle opener. Not all of them have a can opener. But this one has a fish scaler that, let's see if I can focus it on there. Alright, it's engraved right here, 1 inch, 2 inches. Not all of them are like so, but this one is. But yeah, basics. The corkscrew on this one came with a bonus. It's a little precision flathead screwdriver. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Let's do it like this. Alright. Like I said, it's a precision Phillips flathead screwdriver. It twists into the corkscrew. So, let's see, come on. It just twists right in, it stays. But I gotta show you these, otherwise I'd be lying to you. I've carried them. I'm not gonna lie about it, I have carried these out with me. And I've figured out a good, for those of you who are interested in the throwing stars, the 6-pronged ones. Alright, see how I'm holding, tuck it right like so, put one finger, put your index finger on the tine and the spike across from this little hole, just right, just right there. Alright, middle finger below. Alright, as you release, alright, that's what your index finger does, is it gives a flick, because the faster the rotation is on a throwing star, the better chance of sticking. And these are stainless steel and pretty high quality, especially for $8. Let's see if I focus in on the name. Nope. Oh, there it is. Alright. Get in there. Get in there. Well, if you can't read it, it says center point. Or, I'm sorry, perfect point. That's the brand of the throwing stars. If you're interested, you can look them up online. I got these in a shop, so like I said though, if y'all are interested in throwing stars, you know, just remember the 6 spike star, or any of them, the faster they spin, the better chance of sticking in the target that there is. But so y'all can see my collection. It's just a few of them. There we go. Alright, if y'all want more videos of bigger and badder knives, hunting knives for example, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, whenever I post new videos, you'll be notified right away and be able to hear about some reviews about the knives. I'll check into them, see what other people think about them, and tell me in the comments below what you think about them.